of birds. We hope you leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired by all our feathered friends across the world. Now, speaking about feathered friends, I'm very sure all of you would have seen some chickens running around the stage, right? Well, those are our bantam chickens. Okay, so with that, we have one more chicken joining us. That will be a bantam rooster. So everyone, keep your eyes at that hut. Let's welcome Chucky, our bantam rooster. Hello, Chucky. Now, many of us think that chickens cannot fly. That's not true. Chucky here has proven us otherwise. Okay, Chucky, you can go back home now. Bye. Now, let's highlight the natural behaviors of macaws. Macaws in the wild, they love to congregate on palm trees to feast on fruits or nuts. So right here we have a tree with fruits and nuts attached to our bird. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are ready, keep your eyes right back there. Let's welcome Gaia. Hyacinth macaw. Joining Gaia will be Adric, our scarlet macaw. Now macaws like them, they can be found in the forests of South America. Coming back to Gaia. Gaia is our hyacinth macaw. Now hyacinth macaws are one of the 4 blue macaw species that you can find in the world. Right here in the bird park, we have 3 blue macaws. Okay, so do check them out at the Parrot Paradise. Now after feasting, these birds, they often fly to rocky areas such as this to lick up on clay or chalk. This will help them with the digestion of any unripe palm nuts or fruits that they have eaten. Looks like Adrian is still here, not to worry. This will definitely be his next stop.
Hey Mitra!
Hi Asa, who's there?
This everyone is EPA Scarlet Macaw and he is Jurong Bird Park's Gold Green for Wildlife Ambassador. EP here is so environmentally conscious that he will only use reusable cups, containers and utensils. Okay, let me give you an example. Mitra, let's say you are a drink seller.
Drink seller? That's a nice hat.
Now if you were to give EP a plastic cup to drink from, he will not use that cup.
Plastic cup, just
That's right.
like this?
This is what I'm talking about. The single-use disposable plastic cup. Hey, watch. EP, Mitra has given you a plastic cup.
Oh, look at that. He's returning me the cup instead.
Yeah, he will not use single-use plastic. So let's say you give him a reusable cup this time, but it has a straw, a plastic straw. He will not use that straw.
Really?
Yeah.
I have a straw and a cup here.
You don't believe me, huh? That's okay. Everyone, watch this. EP, cup with a plastic straw.
Look at that. He is returning me the straw. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give EP and Asa a round of applause. Thank you. Asa?
Yeah.
Asa? This is for you. There you go. Okay, so for the next act, we will be inviting 2 very beautiful birds. Okay, so everyone, keep your eyes at that hut. Let's welcome our Togo toucans. Okay, we have 2 of them. There they are. Okay, come on, join your partner. There you go. Now, Togo toucans, they can be found in South America. Can we give our brave young volunteer a round of applause? Well done, young man. Now, despite having large beaks, these birds, they remain agile in flight. So to help demonstrate that, Sheena will be tossing a fruit each for both toucans. Let's see if they can fly and catch it in mid-flight. Okay, but I want everyone around the volunteer to sit down. Not you, the volunteer, everyone around you. Okay, ready, Sheena? Now 3, 1, 2, and 3. Whoa! That's a perfect catch up for the other toucan. Let's all count together, shall we? Come on. 1, 2, 3. Now let me introduce both of them to you, okay? They are a very beautiful couple by the name of Mr. and
তোমার
Mrs.
হাতে নিবা?
Exo, our husband and
ব্যথা
wife
পাবা
team.
শোনা,
Now
নখ থাকবে
these
না?
two birds, they are very loyal to one
ওরা
another.
ওদের নখগুলো না ওরা কেটে দেয়
The other will follow. You miss
তুমি
the landing
বলবা
spot.
আমাদের হাতে দিতে
Okay, so everyone watch this. Okay, I'm gonna lead the both of them right here. Mrs. Axel, you lead the way. That way. Okay, you follow her. Our Togo toucans, everyone. Now, what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds. And they do this in the wild for social communication. The yellow-named Amazon parrot is famous for its ability to copy sounds, and we have one such
Ehan, একটা
bird
কথা বলো তো,
today.
কথা বলো।
So everyone, get your video cameras ready, okay? But once again, a gentle reminder for those of you taking pictures or videos, please turn off your flashlights, okay? Because these bright lights can harm our bird's eyesight and they can get easily distracted as well, okay? So turn off your flashlights. Hi. You want to say hello? Hello. Wow, a very nice and sweet hello. Introduce yourself. Can you tell everyone your name? Amigo. Did you hear that? His name is Amigo. We'll hear this one more time. Your name? Amigo. Amigo is his name. Amigo, there's so many of them here today. How would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? You heard that? He's asking, how are you? So how is everyone feeling? Good. That's very nice to hear. Now, Amigo here, he is quite smart, okay? He can
বাবা আমাদের
count
কাছে আসতেছে
from
না
1 to
কেন
10 in English.
দাঁড়াও এখানে কে আছে 4
5,